Hey Tim, it's so great to sit down with you again to talk about reverse mortgage options. A second question that I had for you was specifically about someone that does not own their home yet and they are making monthly mortgage payments. What would be a benefit to them pursuing a reverse mortgage?
This is a great thing about a reverse mortgage, is it enables you to take the existing loan that mom and dad may owe on their house and refinance that loan, pay that loan off, put in its place a reverse mortgage, and then have no monthly mortgage payment for the rest of their lives. So it's going to feel like mom and dad paid their house off. Now, mom and dad are still responsible to pay their property taxes, their homeowner's insurance, and HOA dues if applicable, but they're going to eliminate their monthly mortgage payment for the rest of their lives. They're going to be able to live in there with no monthly mortgage payments. It's really freeing. It really is what it is. Bottom line, it's a cash flow loan. It creates a bunch of cash flow and it gives them a bunch of options as they go into their 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond as they go into their retirement years.
And is there any way for reaching a limit where it would be a negative on the other side of the loan?
Yeah, that's a good question. I oftentimes hear that because people go, well, what are the negatives? Why wouldn't somebody do this? I would say probably the biggest negative to doing a reverse mortgage would be if the homeowners felt like they were not going to live in that home for more than a couple years. So if mom and dad are living in their home today and they think there's a really good chance that they're going to probably sell this property in a year or two, I would probably counsel them hold off on that because of the initial cost to obtain the loan. It probably wouldn't make as much financial sense to do that. There's no prepayment penalty on a reverse mortgage, so they're not under any obligation. If they did it and they had to sell it in a year, that's fine. But I would say, generally speaking, a reverse mortgage, if somebody knows they want to live there a long time, quote unquote, the rest of their life, or for a minimum of 2 years or longer, then I think in most cases a reverse mortgage makes a lot of sense when used as a cash flow tool.
Awesome.
So if you want more information, reach out, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to come and meet with you and discuss the options in more detail.